my dear friends. Good afternoon to everyone. I am Tedi Ranjan in front of you to present my PPT on the topic poverty. Before discussing further, I would like to share something which is related with poverty. Yesterday I saw a little boy who was around 5 to 7 years old carrying a big basket in his shoulder which is full of flowers. I was very curious and gave my attention that what he was actually doing. Later I realized that he was selling flowers. At that time I feel grateful for the life that I have, and at the same time I feel very bad for that boy who is struggling at such an early stage. What could be the reasons why that boy is forced to work at such an early stage? As you all know that 5 to 10 years is the age when the children enjoy their childhood. It is the stage when the children go to school to learn something. What happened with that boy? It's not related with that boy. It's the case of millions of children who is residing in our country. Now, the reason is very simple, which is poverty. Poverty is the situation when the people are not able to fulfill their basic needs. Basic needs include food, housing, healthcare facilities, education, and much more. In simple terms, I can say poverty is hunger. Poverty is lack of shelter. Poverty is being sick and not being able to see a doctor. Poverty is not having a proper job. Poverty is powerlessness, lack of representation, and freedom. Relative poverty and the absolute poverty are the two elements of poverty. If I talk about relative poverty, when I compare myself with other and found I am poor, it is relative poverty. For example, suppose I earn 10,000 per month and Resham earn 50,000 per month. When I compare my income with her income, I found that my income is less as compared to her, and I found that I am poor. It is relative poverty. It is found in capitalist and mixed economy. Mixed economy means where both private and public sector exist. Example of relative poverty is India. If I talk about absolute poverty, then absolute poverty refers to the condition in which income of the people is not sufficient to afford minimum standard of living. Absolute poverty found in India, as it is developing countries. Now I am going to discuss what are the causes of poverty. The first cause is rapidly increasing population. As we all know that population increasing day by day. Increasing population reduces the ability of resources per head and decreases the per capita income. Per capita income means the total income of population divided by total population. The second and the major reason is unemployment and underemployment. As we all know that about 10 lakh students graduated per year from the colleges, but they are not able to get a proper job. Why? Because of lack of employment in the country. There is no that much industries or factories established there who can provide job. The third is social factor. Some of the social factors like caste system, certain traditions, joint family systems hamper the growth rate of the country and increases poverty. The fourth is price rise. The major cause of poverty is increase in general price level. Sharp rise in price level and there is no change in the level of income reduces the purchasing power of people and result in causing poverty. The fifth is low productivity in agriculture. As we all know that India is an agricultural economy. About 60% of the population indulge in